Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making Bok Choy chicken soup in the Instant Pot. To start, place carrot peels, onion skins, and celery leaves in the Instant Pot's inner pot to flavor the broth. Add the chicken, poultry spice, and 3 quarts of water. Seal the Instant Pot and set it for 50 minutes. While the broth cooks, heat a Dutch oven and add olive oil. Then add onion, carrot, and celery, sauteing until the onion turns translucent. Add the bok choy and saute for a minute, followed by the mushrooms. Stir and saute everything for another 5 minutes. Cover the pot and turn off the heat while you wait for the broth. When the broth is done, remove the chicken pieces, separating the skin and meat from the bones, and set the meat aside. To clarify the broth, place a colander lined with double cheesecloth in a large bowl and pour the broth through. Pour the clarified broth into the Dutch oven over the vegetables, then add the chicken and pasta. Bring it to a boil, cook for 2 minutes, and then cover and remove from the heat, letting it sit for 10 minutes to cook the pasta. And there you have it, rich bok choy chicken soup. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time on The Good Plate.